Hiya folks, JD here, and today I want to update you with my top 5 quadcopters of 2019 so far. So what I've set out with this is, as you will notice from the first video I did, if you haven't seen that, you'll find it in the description should you want to catch up. What I'm trying to do is as the year progresses, I'm replacing some quadcopters from my my top 5, replacing them with other ones, and seeing at the end of the year what are my overall top 5 for 2019. So the first few quadcopters we had in the first video, we had the Vizio XS812, we had a Holy Stone, we had a SEMA, and we had the Tiny Hawk as well. Now what I want to do, I just want to bring that a little bit more up to date with everything that I've tested so far as of this point. So what I'm going to do is, from the original video, I'm going to remove the Vizio, I'm going to remove the Holy Stone, and I'm going to remove the SEMA. And with that, I'm going to update it with the SJRC F11, the JJRC X6, the Aircus, we're keeping the Tiny Hawk in there. We've got an Eachine E511S. of course, the Hubsan Xeno on the latest firmware. So there we are, my friends. That is just bringing us up to date with my top 5 quadcopters of 2019 so far. I'll be bringing out another one of these videos in about another 2 or 3 months. As I said at the beginning of the video, if you haven't seen the original that I did a few months back, you'll find the link in the description should you just want to get up to date with everything. Alright, my friends, thanks ever so much for watching and listening. I've been JD, you've been fantastic as always. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe and ring that bell too. Hello and welcome to all the new subscribers. I hope you're enjoying the channel. So until next time, my friends, happy flying.